Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this short tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can change your username in the Slack application really quickly and without any extra effort. So drop a like and now let us dive into this. Alright, so head over to slack.com or launch the Slack app on your device, log into your account, and basically all you need to do, guys, is once you're in your workspace here, is simply click on your profile icon in the bottom left corner of your display, left click on it and select profile from that following drop-down menu. And in the next step, you will see your profile here on the right panel. So what you want to do, guys, is click on edit here next to your username. And in the last step, simply go through the settings here or through your profile settings. And yeah, give yourself a new full name or a display name or a title. Go through the settings and simply change your username or display name. And once that's done, simply confirm your changes by clicking on Save Changes here in the bottom right corner so that these changes may be applied instantaneously. And that's it, guys. As you can see, super simple. I hope you enjoyed this video and we'll see you next time on our channel.